Hi guys, I have created this video to show you when you are finished with your vision board, how to save and submit your vision board project online via Schoology. So to start, when you think you're done, ask me for a vision board checklist. You can see the vision board checklist right here to the left of your screen. On the vision board checklist, you need to go through and make sure that you have 25 pictures, quotes, or words that are included on your board. All of your pictures, words, and quotes are neatly arranged and visually pleasing. So make sure your vision board is not a mess and that people can realize and see exactly what you're seeing. Also, all of the pictures, words, and quotes relate to the theme of my personal goals, dreams, and beliefs. Make sure that if I ask you what a certain picture or word means on your vision board, that you can tell me how it relates to our whole idea of goals and what you want to do with your life and what you want to have or what is important to you. Also, make sure your name appears somewhere on the vision board. Right now, my vision board, you can see to the right, does not have my name. So I would need to click onto my presentation, add a text box, and choose a place to put my name on my board. So for me, I'm going to create my name, and I'm going to move it onto my board. Now you can make it fun, you can make it bright, you can change the text. I can make it fun color, I can make it bigger so you can actually see your name. You can put it in a fun text, but you need to make sure that your name is somewhere on the board. It could be right smack in the middle, you could put it in the corner, it could be anywhere. Okay, so that is one requirement that I need, is that your name is somewhere on the vision board. Also, your vision board has to be saved as a JPEG file, not a PowerPoint file. So I'm going to show you right now how to save it as a JPEG, as well as your file name needs to be saved as your first name, underscore last name, underscore the days you have me in class. So days 1 and 2, or days 3 and 4, or days 5 and 6. So to save, we're going to go to our PowerPoint, and we're going to go up to the Save As option. You're going to click on Save As, and you're going to save your file as your first name, underscore last name, underscore days 1 and 2, or 3 and 4, or 5 and 6, whatever days you have me. Now the most important thing after this is you need to find where it says either file type or format. And what you are going to do is you are going to click on the options, and you're going to scroll down to find the JPEG option, and you're going to click on it. So you're going to make sure that your file type or format is JPEG. So also, you need to make sure you're saving it to the right spot. So for me, I'm going to save this onto my desktop. But for you guys, you're saving it to our class folder. So I have it as a JPEG, my file is correct, and I'm saving it to the right spot. So now I'm going to hit save. So now it is saved on my computer, and it's saved as my one slide and as an image. So now what we need to do is we need to submit your project. So now we're going to go and we're going to log on to Schoology. So this is where our Schoology really comes into play. So you're going to log in, type in your login name and your password. And I need to pick my school. So we're going to log in, and we're going to go to our courses and find our health classes website. Now you'll see that we have a vision board folder. You're going to click on your vision board folder, and you'll notice that there are the 3 different steps to this project. We've already done planning. We're in the creating phase, and we're ready to finish that creating phase. So we're going to click on create, and you will notice that there's examples, the rubric, the checklist. But what we are looking for is our actual assignment submission. So the vision board directions and submission is what you will need to click on to submit your assignment. When you get onto the page, you will notice that in the right-hand corner, there's a box that says Submit Your Assignment. You're going to click on it, and a window will open that will have you upload your project. So you'll notice this little funky icon here that when you go over it, it says File. You're going to click on that object. And now you're going to locate your file on the computer. So I'm going to find my vision board project. It should be on my desktop. So I'm going to locate my vision board. Let's see if it's here. Let's find it on my computer. Here we go. Found it. So you're going to find your project, and you are going to hit open to submit. So now once you see the file is loaded, I'm going to change my name because the file name did not save correctly. We're going to make sure that my file name is right. So once you know your file name is going to be correct, you can hit submit. Once you've submitted, you will see in the corner that it says assignment submitted, and you know that I have officially gotten your vision board. Now the final step that you will do is you're going to leave part 2, and you're going to go up and you're going to click on vision board project and go back to the folder itself. Now we're ready to move on to part 3. Part 3, you're going to click on the folder. It is our explaining part. You need to now explain to me exactly what or why you chose some things on your vision board. And what I'll ask you to do is you're going to click on our vision board reflection submission. Here you'll find all the explanations and all of the things that you need to be successful on your explanation part of your folder or of your project. When you click on, you will see directions. Now at this time, I'll ask you to go and submit your file and submit your project to the vision board. And then you will move on to step 3, like I have just explained here.